One cold night in 1961, a single mistake nearly erased half of the United States from the map. A nuclear bomb, 260 times more powerful than Hiroshima, armed itself in midair. And it wasn't the only one. This is the chilling story of how America came within seconds of destroying itself, and why the truth was hidden for decades. January 23, 1961. The Cold War is at its boiling point. The Soviet Union and the United States are locked in a silent but deadly standoff. Above the clouds, Strategic Air Command keeps nuclear-armed B-52 bombers in constant rotation, ready to strike at a moment's notice. One of these missions takes off from Seymour Johnson Air Force Base in North Carolina, with two Mark 39 hydrogen bombs on board. At 12:30 a.m., the B-52 is cruising at 35,000 feet. But then disaster strikes. A fuel leak is spotted, spraying thousands of pounds of jet fuel into the night sky. The crew is ordered to return to base, but as they descend, the aircraft begins to break apart midair over the small town of Goldsboro. Both hydrogen bombs are thrown free. One slams into a muddy field and buries itself deep. The other begins its arming sequence. Out of the 4 fail-safe mechanisms designed to prevent detonation, 3 failed, only 1 tiny, low-voltage switch, no bigger than a light switch in your house, stood between America and its worst nuclear disaster in history. If it had triggered, the explosion would have obliterated everything within an 8-mile radius instantly, and radioactive fallout could have poisoned cities from Washington, D.C. to New York. In the morning, the Air Force swarmed the crash site. Locals were told to keep quiet. The bomb buried in the field was never fully recovered. Its uranium still lies beneath North Carolina soil to this day. For decades, the government denied just how close we came to nuclear annihilation, until a declassified report in 2013 revealed the shocking truth. The Goldsboro incident remains one of the most terrifying near misses in history. It wasn't caused by enemy action, but by human error and the dangerous gamble of keeping armed nuclear weapons in constant flight. It's a chilling reminder. The greatest threat to humanity might not be our enemies, but ourselves. If a single wire had been connected differently, history books would tell a very different story, and millions of Americans might never have been born. This was the night America almost nuked itself,